here we have number 2. We have a standard deck of cards here. There's 52 of them. First question, if you randomly choose 2 cards at one time, if you replace the first after it's chosen, what is the probability that you choose a face and a spade? Show the probability used. So we're going to find the probability of a face and a spade, and it is replaced. So it would be probability of a face times the probability of a spade. We know that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 face cards. So there are 12 out of 52 face cards, and spades, there are 13 out of 52 spades. So let's do that multiplication. 12 divided by 52 times our 13 times 52 divided by 52. So that becomes 3 over 52, or if we put that in a decimal and times it by 100, that will get us 3 divided by 52. Turn that into a decimal, times that by 100. That will get us approximately 5.77%. B, if you randomly choose 2 cards, replace the first one, right? Replace, so it's independent. What is the probability that you choose a face or spade? So this time it is a face or, so it's a union, spade and spade. That's going to be the probability of a face plus the probability of a spade minus the intersection of a face and spade. So the face, we know that face was 12 over 52 plus the spade, which is 13 over 52, minus their intersection, we know that is 3 over 52. So we can just do that. 12 plus 13 minus 3. Okay, so that is 22. 22 out of 52, right? And then to convert that into a decimal, times it by 100, you get roughly around 4.31%. And then again, the or is technically going to be higher than the and. Next, you shuffle the deck well. You turn over 3 cards after without replacement, so there's 3. What are the chances that they're all face cards? So it's probability of a face and a face times a face. So it's going to be probability of a face times probability of a face times a probability of a face. The first time you get a face card, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 face cards. 12 out of 52. Okay, the second one you have 11 out of 51 because again without replacement, and the third time it is 10 out of 50. All right, now we just multiply them together. 12 divided by 52 times 11 divided by 51 and 10 divided by 50. That gets you that in a fraction. Or put it into a decimal and multiply it by 100. That gets you roughly 1%. It's really like 0.9954, but I round it to just 1%. Okay, there you go.